I'm very tired. I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm very sad. I'm heartbroken. It's very cold. It's freezing. It's very hot. It's boiling. I don't like it. It doesn't appeal to me. I'm busy now. I'm tied up at the moment. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. It's difficult. It's a tough nut to crack. I understand it. I've got the hang of it. I will think about it. I'll take it into consideration. I'm not sure. I have my doubts. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's catch up tomorrow. I like you. I'm fond of you. I made a mistake. I messed up. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm surprised. I'm taken aback. It's very important. It's absolutely essential. She's smart. She's brilliant. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Please help me. I could use some assistance. I'm going to sleep. I'm hitting the sack. I'll call you later. I'll get back to you.